Hi guys, how can you create a new year text effect in Adobe Photoshop? First, select the rectangle tool and add a black rectangle shape to your canvas. Now switch to the Move tool. Create a new layer, select the rectangle tool again, and lower the opacity of the shape. Next, select layer 1, go to the Text tool, and add your main text. Press Ctrl-T and resize the text to make it bigger. Adjust and edit the text properly. Now add the numbers and 5 as part of the design. Create a new layer and add the number 5 above the text. Press Ctrl-T and resize it. Add another new layer. Go to the Text tool and add the number 6 below the main text. Change the color of the 5 and 6 from white to green. Now add a welcome text using the Text tool. After that, add another text saying Happy New Year. Adjust the text positioning and move it slightly upward to give a clean and balanced look. And that's it.